Welcome to Health Academy. Health Academy is a channel that shares tons of knowledge about all aspects of health, including wellness, beauty, diseases, food, and other related topics. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell because we upload multiple contents every single day. We also publish full online courses and advanced master classes in our channel for free. In this video, we will discover several effective natural remedies for insomnia. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Insomnia can be a very difficult and frustrating problem, and it can have a significant impact on your health. Many people fear that prescription medications or over-the-counter sleep aids are the only methods available to manage insomnia, but there are several natural treatments that can help. Is it really that big a deal when you can't get to sleep? Experts say that if it's a chronic problem, then yes, it can be a big deal. For one thing, insomnia can be a symptom of a serious disorder known as sleep apnea. Left untreated, insomnia is implicated in many disorders, including depression, impaired cognitive function, particularly decision-making, cardiovascular disease including high blood pressure, heart disease, stress-related disorders, impaired immune function. Are there natural options? There are, thankfully, quite a few natural methods for dealing with insomnia. Many people find relief in herbal remedies, lifestyle adjustments, and exercise. Once you've checked with your healthcare provider about possible medical causes for your insomnia, you might try some of these natural treatments for insomnia. 1. Herbal remedies. Herbal teas and supplements are said to be a gentle and effective way of bringing on sleep. Herbs with a reputation for promoting sleep include the following. Chamomile. This is a long-held remedy for sleeplessness that is exacerbated by nervousness and anxiety. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea in the evenings before bed may be all you need, but it can have a slight diuretic effect, so drinking a cup an hour or so before bed might work better. You may also find it beneficial to drink it throughout the day, hot or cold, or mixed with other beverages. Valerian root. It makes an unpleasant tea, but many people have had significant success with taking valerian root capsules. Valerian is a natural sedative. Lemon balm. In contrast to valerian, lemon balm tastes very good and makes a lemony tea. Like chamomile, drinking a cup in the evenings may help promote sleep. You could mix it with chamomile tea as well. 2. Lifestyle changes. Insomnia can sometimes be managed by making adjustments to your lifestyle. Here are some ideas. Exercise regularly. This is one of the best ways to get your body into balance and help you relax at night. Cut out caffeine, even if you think you need it every day. If you smoke, quit. Smokers tend to have more sleep problems than non-smokers, sources report. Cut back on sugar, artificial colors, preservatives, and artificial flavors. These substances have been implicated in hyperactivity and other mood and mental imbalances. If you have any comments, suggestions, and reactions, let us know in the comment section below. We will be posting more videos about these topics and other contents related to health and wellness, so make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up to help our channel grow. See you in our next videos.